It's Crusoe. What I'm doing, what I'm doing, everyone, is I've done that niche. What you always do is put the back in first, then your aluminium, then your sides, then your bottom, then your top. So I've put the back in here. Now I'm going to be cutting all my aluminium. So I've got the saw set up at that angle, so I'll be doing 8 pieces. Always use your piece of timber, 2x1. Have we got power? No. We better plug it in. Houston, we have power. Holding it firmly. Right, so I cut 8 of those, and it's every angle. You see, it's that there, that there, that there, and there. I do 8 all the same, and then I change my angle, and I cut them all to length, but I cut them all first. You don't swap and change. If I didn't use timber, people, a lot of times if you don't use timber, it'll kick. This blade, see, there was actually a question asked this afternoon. I haven't returned it yet. This is a special aluminium blade, and see the amount of teeth? It's for fine cutting, but it also cuts timber and plastic and whatever, but it's a special aluminium. Well, it's a blade for aluminium. But a normal wood saw blade would cut it, but the best is like a lot of teeth. You've got to have a lot of teeth. Like a shark. Did you hear it for the catch then? Well, if I didn't have it in timber, it would have stuffed the aluminium for a start, and it would have grabbed and it might have pulled my fingers into the saw. That's why you always have a piece of timber, everyone. Right, what have we got? 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces. We're good to go. And then like I've marked it there, you don't have to square it across and all that sort of bullshit with a square. Just and then mark the angle. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 4. Then you adjust your saw. I just put my pen in my holster there. You cut all these. A bit of plastic was trying to catch a ride then. Must have a piece in there somewhere. What? Yeah, mate. Okay, I've got that bit of aluminium. I couldn't bring my saw right around, but I can now. I unplugged it, which is the right thing to do when you go fluffing around with a saw. Unplug the sucker. Now, that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Let's see if they fit. Nice. Then once you got this happening, that looked like a chip there, but it was just a piece of glue. Right, where's my tape? So they don't all fall out on the floor. And I always leave it, I always bring it proud, 1.5 mil. Have it out 1.5 mil, and then just run around with your silicone. Bloody beautiful. This is just to stop them falling out and all over the floor. That tape will just hold them there. That's cool. Okay. I'll just cut those and I'll see you soon when I'm putting them in. See you in a minute.